There's a lot of people who just don't understand copy, how to use it well, how to use it not well. And what they're doing is they're using this amazing tool of copy incorrectly, and that is hurting them. So here's the essence of copy that's really important for us all to understand. It's this. You shouldn't try to use copy to sell. Because as soon as you use copy to sell things, what ends up happening is it just turns into copy that says, here are the features of my product, buy my stuff. And I will tell you, that's bad copy. The worst way you can use copy is to tell people, here's my thing, you should buy it. There is a much, much better way to use copy, and that is this. What copy is really, really good for is to connect your users' needs and problems to your solutions. In other words, what you should be doing is not talking about you and your product. Your message, your copy should be talking about it should be talking about their favorite subject, which is them. Talking about their specific needs, their specific problems, and how to solve them. And in many cases, your product is the solution to that problem. Now, not all cases. One of the things we try to do is develop relationships with our audience by giving them solutions for their problems that don't involve your product, which builds trust so that then when you come back later on and the solution for their problem is to buy your product, that they not only trust you, but they're much more likely to do so. May I make a suggestion to you? And that is, you take this concept of copy's not good at trying to sell them products. What it's really good at doing is connecting with their needs and their problems and connecting that to your solution. My suggestion is you do this. Go back and analyze the last 10 copy pieces that you wrote. Look for these two factors in them. Were they about you or were they about them? Were they about your product or about their needs? Were they about buy my stuff or were they about here's what your problems are and here's how you can solve them? Did you use the word I, my, this product versus you and yours? When you start looking at that gap between those two, you will immediately come to understand how to make your copy better, and you'll be incredibly much more effective in creating conversions from what you talk about in your copy. This is a common misunderstanding. Now you will never make it again. I hope. This is Don Crowther saying, just go do this stuff.